got cooking, Walter? Steaks on the grill, and they're cooking fast. Last week I had to purge my tanks, and they're definitely working better. Yes, sirree, Bob. Give me some grill marks on there, and I'll flip them over. Got the grass cut yesterday. I'll show you a little bit of a clip of me buzzing around on my lawnmower, maybe. My zinnias sure did awful good this year. Maybe next year I'll plant them in a big circle. It's almost time to start harvesting some zinnia seed for next year. The butterflies have been plentiful. Alright. She don't like hers overcooked, so let's see. Let's work on our grill marks. Oh, we flip it over. This is going to be some bodacious dinner. We got some baked potatoes cooking in the toaster oven. Having a nice vegetable tossed salad. Probably use a little ranch dressing. Throw this on the plate and put me some Worcestershire on it. It don't take long to cook a steak when you got a decent flame. Anyway, just thought I'd show you what I got on the grill today. This little barbecue grill here is not an expensive one. It was fairly cheap. A couple $300 over at Lowe's, but it's working like a champ. The other one was really too big to have up here on the deck. On the porch, I should say. All right, my friends, it's time to eat. Y'all come on, let's eat. Well, they said it was going to be like 100 today. I don't know what the temperature actually got to, but I waited till late this evening. It's Sunday evening to get out here and finish cutting the front yard. Yesterday I cut up there around the flower garden and front yard right around front of the house and the side of the house. But it was pretty hot yesterday, so I didn't finish it all. So today we're finishing it up. Anyway, guess I better get back to work.